Hey guys, it's Andrea with Foundation Professionals of Florida here on a beautiful Florida sunny day. Got a homeowner calling us that has some issues with some erosion around their home. Well, it's due to some gutter issues. When you have gutter downspouts, it's really important that you try to get that water down and away as far as possible. I have a lot of homeowners that use splash pads underneath there, but unfortunately that's not always enough to not cause some erosion of soils from underneath the foundation. So this is a quick and easy fix. This is a gutter extension from your local hardware store. This one's called the Stealth Flow. I like it because it's easy to use in landscaping when I have customers that have mulch and they're trying to kind of hide this as much as possible to keep the aesthetic look. It comes sized for a 3-inch gutter. You can just cut right here to change it out for a 4-inch. I would recommend pre-drilling some screw holes on the left and right side. Once you get it installed, you can permanently secure it here. One other important thing to note is that you may cover this part up, but you have to keep the end open. If you do not and you try to cover it up, you're going to end up causing a backflow, potentially a backflow issue, and lead to more erosion. Hope this helps and hope you guys have a great weekend, and maybe this is something you can check off your honey-do list. Thanks for watching.